Welcome to another video from explainingthefuture.com. This time I'm near Tower Bridge in London for the 2014 3D print show. So let's see what's new in the world of 3D printing. .3D printing is an industry on the rise. For over 30 years, it's been used to create prototypes and concept models, with some stunning examples here at the show. More recently, 3D printing has started to be used to manufacture industrial tooling, final products, medical appliances, and works of art. Once again, there's great evidence here in London, with 3D printing starting to be accepted as a mainstream manufacturing process. As a consumer technology, 3D printing is less mature. This said, the consumer hardware on display here today is certainly sleeker, faster and more reliable than what we saw in 2013 or 2012. The recent prediction that over 1 million consumer 3D printers will be sold annually by 2018 is therefore starting to feel realistic. In my next video, I'll look in more depth at some of the exhibits that have most caught my attention here at the print show. But now that's it for another video, and I hope to talk to you again very soon.